Hi everybody, welcome back to my studio. Sorry about the artificial lighting here, but it is, I'm gonna try to see if I can get less shadow. I think that's a little better. It's 3:30 in the afternoon and the weather is horrible outside. It's been raining and snowing. I've never ever seen rain and snow at the same time, but today I saw it. So it's very, very overcast, so the lighting is really awful. So I do want to open this package. I'm not sure, I'm expecting two more the freebies that I got, that I won on AliExpress. So this may be that, or it may be another one that I ordered from AliExpress. Not real sure, because they're not real good with helping you out with tracking. And I thought with the Chinese New Year in full effect that things were just not coming out of China. So, but guess what came out of China? Woohoo! Now, I may be stopping from time to time to take photographs of this, which is what I do when I'm doing my reviews for the free items. So this box looks like it has, well, it's got this garbage bag wrapper on it. I'm sure there's an official name for that wrapper, as there is an official name for this diamond painting that I cannot read, but the box is in pretty darn good condition. It has 6 steps to diamond painting on it in another language. That's helpful. But I think we all know how to diamond paint. Yay. Good thing, huh? All right, let's see what we got in here. Un momento. Okay, I'm back. I just needed to take some pictures, like I said. Unless this is the one. No, this is one that I bought. So I don't need to take pictures. It's not the freebie. Yay, okay. I bought this one because I thought it was super cute. You'll know why I bought it when you see it. Here are the drills. Here's the inventory sheet. I'm not going to show you what the picture is just yet because it's a surprise. Let's see. Well, I am glad it's square. I like square. So I always say I'm on a no-buy unless I see something I like. What kind of a no-buy is that, right? But I do want to take a look at the inventory sheet. It has, oh, it's not going to tell me. I have to count? What? Do they know I don't like to count? 40 colors. I had to count 40 colors. Oh, okay. But we got the 6 steps to diamond painting in English. Woohoo! So we'll get the drills out in a minute. I'm so excited for this painting. This is it's not a super large painting, 50 by 40, which I say it's not super large. Maybe that is for some of you, but for me, nah, you know me, I do such large paintings. It's ridiculous. I don't know why. I just like large paintings, but this is certainly one I can do in my living room on my A4 light pad. But I have the table, and I can manipulate the A4 to get around. It is double-sided adhesive. The canvas looks like it's in, it looks like it wants me to unwrap it the other way is what it looks like. But I don't know. Let's see. Okay, we're gonna do this carefully because I don't like to rip the paper. It's in 2 strips. So far the symbols look good. Wait till you see this. You're gonna know exactly why I bought it. Have you guessed yet? Come on. Have you guessed yet? If you've guessed at this point, put down in the comments, hey, I guessed it when you open the top half. Let's open the bottom half and see what we got. Okay, wait a minute. It doesn't want to do this. I'm going to have to really rub so we can get that off. It just wants to stick to the paper. Okay, here we go. And this so far looks to be in super good condition. Are you seeing what I'm seeing? So yes, I am, Rebecca, but it's upside down. Yes, it is. All right, let's turn this sucker around. Ready? Okay, we're turning it around. And we're doing it carefully. Oh my goodness. So this one I wanted to do for Valentine's Day. It's the gnomes. I love gnomes. So I got me a couple of gnomes to do for Valentine's Day. I am finishing up, look at the candle here. I'm not sure, I guess this is just a block that the candle is on. I'm finishing up the crystal rose bowl, and then I will start this. Yeah, it's so cute because it's Valentine's gnomes. This will go right along with my Christmas gnomes, won't it? And if I am not mistaken, it looks like he is sewing the other guy's suit together. See the thread here? He's making some stitches there. Isn't that adorable? Let me show you the thumbnail, if I can. There it is. It's pretty tiny. If I can find the image, I will put that on the screen for you as well. But here, oh, he is sewing a patch onto his pajamas. Look at there. Oh, isn't that adorable? Yes, so cute. So that is a roll of thread with a candle sitting on top of it. That would be super dangerous in my house, but not so dangerous when you're a gnome. Oh my God, now you know why I broke my novi, because it's a gnome. The canvas is absolutely perfect. Let's look at the symbols together. I'm gonna put the bottom part down so we don't have like this big disaster thing happening here. So let's look at the schematic. See, I'm always afraid it's gonna go do what it wants to do. I know that's shining. Let me see if I can, we're gonna turn it down a little so we can see the symbols. I want it to adjust. I think it's okay now. So we've got alphanumeric symbols. Yay! Nothing too funky. I think there's a heart there. There is a hashtag, a parens, a percentage sign, an equal sign, an at sign, so, and an and sign. So the rest is alphanumeric. Yay! I can live with that. I can live with that. Oh, look at all that. All of that is the at sign up in here, up in the red, and lots of color blocking there. Oh, I can appreciate some good old color blocking. Let's look at the, this is what I don't appreciate. All of the drills, just straight off the machine. Okay, I'm gonna speed the camera up while I'm doing this. Enjoy the music. Hopefully I can find you some good music. If not, I'll have to sing myself. but fabulous colors. Look at this color here, 3705. Stunning. And I'm curious, I'm guessing this is the hat, but I'm not sure. This is the 606. And then we've got the 498 here. So lots of color variation, purples, this orangish red here. Here's a little bit of 150, which is a darker red. The 310, that is the summation of 310. And the other dark color, 823. That's it. That's all you get. 823, 310, the rest is all colors. The most that I have is like this color here, 3866, and then there's a lot of this 844, which is sort of a dark gray. So I'm gonna push it aside, just out of curiosity. Let's find out where his hat is. What color is the hat? Let's take a peek. All right, it's this Anson. Oh, it's the 150. Oh, that's an awful lot of 150 for that one little bag. They only gave me one little bag for all of that. And, oh no, it's a different color. It's, okay. I'm wrong. Okay, it's the 606 here. So that is all up in here. And then this color here is a $. I'll holler for $1. Where is it? 498, which is this color here. Ooh. And then that right there above is 947, which is there. So there's your hat on top of the gnome. This color variation here, that's pretty cool. And then up in here, it's got that 677 going on. That's this color here. So this N, this surrounding N, is 844, which is the dark gray. And then even in the corner, because there's some blending that's going on here, V is, and this schematic is super small. So luckily we have this that I can blow up and make stickers for to put on my storage container. Where is it? Right here. No, the V. Where's the V? Right here. $37.99. Where did I scoop the $37.99 up? I think it's this one. It's so dark you can't even read the number on the bag, but this is it. So this is going to fade into the corner. That's pretty cool. And then this O, what's that O? Okay, that's 37.40. So, oh, cool. So you got these three colors going on into the corner. So this is going to be kind of a darkish canvas with that. I love this. This is going to be a little different for me. So I'm going to kit that up. We will get that ready for when I finish the Crystal Rose Bowl, which I'm like 3/4 of the way done with that. So this will be the next project. So guys, thanks for coming on this journey with me and have a great evening.